turning world. Not a bad view to wake up to.
Yeah, beautiful.
Needy little git's always gotta be touching me. He's literally moved down from his side of the bed to be closer in the 2 seconds I've moved down here. The little angel. Cereal for Becky this morning. Cereal in bed. Plans for today is to go walk to a couple of waterfalls. Bridal Veil Falls and Champagne Falls, I think they're called. And they're part of the same loop, which is 6 to 8 Ks, I'm not sure. Different reviews from different people. So that will be the plan, and then we'll probably be back here to chill for the night and wait for some good weather to go tackle Cradle.
Yeah.
And we're off to see some waterfalls. Some wonderful, wonderful waterfalls.
And heading up the new path. Ready for the hike? Yeah, I did that. I did a great job. Bridal Veil Falls and Champagne Falls. 2-hour return-ish. Might be a little bit longer if you stick around for a bit. Yeah, so we're gonna have a little picnic out there. Not a picnic, we're gonna have noodles.
Just decided now.
Just decided. Yeah, it looks beautiful, so should be good.
Well, it's snakes on warm and dry days and leeches on wet and cold is what it says.
Yes, no good.
We don't want a repeat of last time.
No. I turn around to this.
There is not going to be an ounce of a leech touching any of this skin.
I don't know. Is this what I signed up for when I met her? She is cute though. And then I've got tucked in, to be fair.
Yeah, you look even more shit.
Boy, you did that.
At least I folded my bunchy pants. Yours are just stuffed in. Look at those little nubs of ankles. Look at these. What is that? At least mine are like tucked in proper. Look at how nice and neat and folded. Who's the real looker?
I got a tripod.
Okay, not.
Got a selfie stick now, almost.
It literally.
On the mushroom hunt. Going on a little footstool. Rudy Tooties. Stop it. Oh. How gorgeous. Wow.
Look at how nasty it is. Oh my goodness!
Stunning.
Whoa, look at you.
Whoa. So gorgeous. and so slippery. Wow. Jenny figured it out. She figured out how to do the make the waterfalls look all silky smooth. However, whatever photograph jargon is used of that. What an absolutely gorgeous forest river walk. Seen so many mushrooms, beautiful waterfalls, haven't even seen a second one yet. And then another little pool down here. Lake. What? And he's taking photos of all the mushies. Tons and tons. Oh yeah. Wow. Stunning. Oh my gosh. That is beautiful.
So pretty. It's been such a lovely day.
Gorgeous. Highly recommend this walk.
Amazing.
Wow. Said this before, I know I have. Another spot, the best restaurant in the world.
On today's episode of Best Restaurant in the World. You bastard!
Ken doesn't like spices.
Too spicy!
It's ready. And just like that, lunch at a waterfall.
What'd you do?
The fork fell out.
Oh no! Take two! Cheers!
Alright, we out.
Yes.
Absolutely banging. We're all packed up, ready to go. Carry on the loop. Back to the car. To the last little look. Beautiful river, beautiful falls, and beautiful Jenny. Some big ones. And we're back. What a great walk. And now we're gonna go steal this place's Wi-Fi.
And we're off again. Used a bit of Wi-Fi, caught up on some stuff, and now we're just heading back to the same camp we were at last night. And we're leaving at 2, so we'll be getting there a lot earlier, and we're hoping to get a better spot than we got last night.
That's actually a really good spot where we were.
We did get a nice spot next today we're going to try and get a nice spot next to the lake. We saw a sign that said Bridal Veil Wilmot, which is 13 minutes away, so we're taking a detour drive to get some wine.
22 o'clock, got plenty of day to kill.
Plenty of day to kill. Look at this little town.
Where's the leaves rolls?
Look how old these are. How much? $2 a litre.
That's the funniest fuel up ever. I go into the store and then she's like, how much was it? And I was like, what? And she's like, oh, and she starts coming around to come outside to have a look. And I was like, oh no, I'll go have a look. So I run outside, see how much the gas was, tell her, then run back in, tell her how much it was. And she puts it into the FBOS machine. And then I go over to the liquor store, which is behind. I go try and get in and it's locked, I can't get in. I come back over to the gas station and she's like, oh, you want liquor? And I was like, yeah. And she starts running over, comes over, unlocks the liquor store, goes in, and I think they have like probably a selection of about 10 wine bottles in total. And I was like, just your cheapest whites, I guess. And she's like, oh, they're all about $20. And I was like, okay.
So we've got duped into buying a $20 bottle of wine.
$23 actually.
23. Oh my goodness.
Yeah, I got majorly duped into buying a $23 wine.
You should have just said you didn't want any.
Oh, I couldn't. She waddled all the way over there.
Right. So we better enjoy our $23 bottle of wine, even though in a normal grocery store it would be what?
Well, I would have got me cask for $10.
Yeah, usually we got a goonie.
Also, the lights didn't work in the liquor store because it's something to do with the rain and she couldn't turn them on anymore. So, didn't even have light, couldn't see anything. It was dark in there. And then we had to go outside to pay because she got no service on the FBOS machine. Wow.
Where even were we? That's so funny.
Now I can't get up the hill.
What's the speed here?
100 probably.
We're stuck.
Help.
Holy.
Get there. We're going to use all the gas we just bought.
Oh, I know. That's what I'm thinking as well. Little wishing well mailbox. Stop it. Going up a 100km/h hill at 20.
Yeah.
Oh, it's going up a bit now. We're getting there. Just panicking as we were driving by, so we are turning around now to go get a video of him because he's so cute. Hopefully he's there and hasn't been hit already. Oh, I see him!
Yeah, I see him.
Yes, he's pretty calm.
Just a little bit further down, right on the river. Doesn't get better.
Since we only got a little baby bottle of wine this time around, we'll drink out of our little handmade pottery mugs. Believe it or not, this one's Luke, the cute one. I know. Not cool at all. His is way cuter. Luke's one, my one. Right, let's go bring Luke some wine. He doesn't know I've poured it yet. He'll be stoked. Little fire started. We have this box on the roof. That one up there. And it's been holding our like fire lighters and axe and whatever else is in it. But we thought it's been like rain safe, and this is the first time we've went up there in months, and there's about like a couple inches of rain in there. So tomorrow we're gonna have to go through and empty it out and clean it out. But we managed to forage some wood. We had leftover cardboard, and Luke cut into some of the fire lighters to get through all the soggy stuff. But we've managed to make it work. So that's exciting. been sitting just enjoying the fire. Luke's been slaving away, making curry. Lucky me. Another dinner with a view. We're sat down by the river. We literally just saw a platypus, which is the very first one, and we've looked so many times.
He just popped up right in front of us, just out of his little crevice.
It was too quick for me to get him on video, but he might come back. But still, like,
Oh, so cute.
most exciting evening ever.
Wow.